how to use Zen Space to disable the interruption on your OnePlus Nord 3, Nord CE3 Lite, Nord CE4 device. Open the app drawer on your phone. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to special features. Tap on special features. Scroll down at the end. At the end you can find the Zen Space. That will help you to stay focused on a specific work. Here you can find the three type of zone: deep zone for work, no limit; light zone or a study for 16 minutes. Here we select the deep zone for a 1 minute. When you activate Zen Space, you won't receive any phone call, message, notification on a OnePlus device. Now tap on a start. Now you can see start the deep zone in 3, 2, 1. It will start first. Now go. Now you can see start the zone. Here you can see sound option. You can mute also, or now it until complete the time you can't access any phone call, go back or exit the Zen mode on your OnePlus series. So this is very helpful feature if you are in any personal meeting or a specific work related issue, an annoying pop message or notification or phone calls on a OnePlus device. Just set the Zen Space you want to set. When complete the Zen Space time, it will automatically turn off on your phone. You can also extend the limit or share with your friend. Now here you can find the share option or Zen for another 20-minute option available. You can also download it. Tap on a back arrow to go back. You can also create a new space option at the bottom. Tap on a new space. In the setting, you can find the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Here you can see reminder option, daily reminder for reminder me when continuous phone usage, access the set threshold. Just to call on it and set the threshold. Go back. Here you can see show progress on AOD option. So this is the all Zen Space setting you can use on a OnePlus series. That's it. If you like it, share it.